Hey guys, welcome. Yeah, so example 7 here, and the actual division here is pretty straightforward, but the reason I'm showing it to you is because I want to show you how to generalize this. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is take this here, right, x minus 1, and set it equal to 0. And when we do, we're going to get x equals 1, which we put in the box. And then we write the coefficients of this guy and the order that they should appear. So that's a 1 for the coefficient of x to the 10th, and then a 0 for x to the 9th, a 0 for x to the 8th, and then another 0 for x to the 7th. And this is where I'm going to stop writing zeros and just use dot, dot, dot. So 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, and then 1 0 for the coefficient of x, and then the negative 1, the last guy. So there are a total of 9 zeros between this one here and this negative 1. Yeah? Okay, otherwise we're going to drop this one here and multiply to the box, what's in the box. And so that's 1 times 1 gets us a 1 right here. And we're going to add down to get a 1 here. We multiply to the box, and we get a 1, which we write here, add down, and again we get a 1, multiply to the side, a 1, we're going to get a 1, we're going to multiply to the side, write a 1 here, I'm going to get a 1, and if we keep doing this, we're going to get a 1 here eventually, and then we add down, we're going to get a 1, and then multiply to the side, we're going to get a 1, and then a 0 here. How awesome. So remainder 0, meaning that this is divisible by that, and in particular, this divided by that is x to the 10th minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is going to be x to the 9th plus x to the 8th plus x to the 7th plus x to the 6th plus x to the 5th all the way to dot, 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 right? Sorry, those dots are too clustered, but yeah, dot, 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 and then it's going to be 1x and then plus 1. So this guy is just the very last guy, and it's a constant term, plus 1. Yeah, x to the 6th, x to the 5th, all the way to x and then 1. Yeah? Okay, cool. So the generalization of this is the following, which is if you have x to the n minus 1 and you want to divide it by x minus 1, then you're always going to get the result x to the n minus 1 plus x to the n minus 2 plus x to the n minus 3 plus dot, dot, dot plus x plus 1. Yeah? Okay, cool. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and this wraps up example 7. That is, wraps up my synthetic division video series, but in a different video series, I'll teach you polynomial long division, which always works, not as limited, but also not as fun as synthetic division. But yeah, in any case, I hope you enjoyed this video series, and keep watching. Take care.